This video and the accompanying tutorial sheets form a virtual laboratory resource to assist with the teaching of reinforced concrete design. The resource allows students to understand the behaviour of typical reinforced concrete elements loaded up to failure. 4 beam specimens are presented consisting of over and under reinforced beams loaded in flexure and beams with and without shear stirrups loaded in shear. 2 columns are also presented, one short and one slender. The accompanying tutorial sheets provide details of the specimen design and material properties. The data provided can be used to predict and explain the behaviour of each specimen. Standard test methods have been used to evaluate the concrete strength based upon the compressive strength of cylinder specimens cast using the same concrete as used in each beam or column specimen.